So what I like to do then is to go back and look at the individual images. And I like to add a little bit of motion into them. I don't like things to be, if we look at this, it just sits there and stares at us. So what I want to do is I want to add some animation. And what I actually like is quite simply automatic. It can be very nice. If I click here, we can look at all of the different options. We can preview them as well. Okay, it's quite a nice one. I actually really like that. So I'm going to add that. So you see now, we zoom in as we go through that. And I actually think that's really nice. We can edit it if we want to. See, we've got a duration of 7 seconds. I might take that down to 5 seconds. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. We've got the animation on there, happy with that. And we go into picture yourself 12 months from now. So this one, I might want to do something a little bit different. Let's have a look. So again, we've got all of these effects, and this is under the Text Tools Format menu. If I open this up, none, that just sits there. Okay, notice nothing happens. We've got emphasis, so this one here just does a fade in. This one I don't like. Some of these are a little bit extravagant. So this one will be normal, but then it'll spin away. Have it flying in from one side or the other. We can have it scrolling up. Okay. See that one swinging down. Zoom in. Zoom in. Something a little bit more fancy. Again, a little bit more fancy. You can just play around with these. Some of them work, some of them don't really work. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to stick with this one. Quite like that. We'll then come through here into this. Now what's interesting here is that we're actually cutting, we're potentially cutting a little bit of the picture off there. So what we might want to do is play with the visual effects. Well, actually, let me try the animations first. Definitely don't like that. I want something that really shows the piano, but without cutting those heads off at the top. So none of these really. That one's not bad. What about this one? Not really. I like that one more because it's focusing on the piano player. In which case, yeah, let's go for that one. Okay. Okay. We can also zoom it out if we want to. Or we can zoom in. Got to find the right point first of all. Okay. So I've zoomed in now so I can see more of what's going on in here. See the beginning, you can see more of an end, but as I keep zooming in, I'll see more of this. For my purposes, I prefer just to keep the I prefer to keep it just looking like a storyboard like this. Okay, we can make this full screen, by the way, the preview, if we want to. I'm not really interested. I just want to find the right point and the right effect. And I think that works. So we've got the piano, and then we're focusing in on the piano player. So picture yourself 12 months from now entertaining a group of friends around the piano. Okay, a group of friends around the piano that you're playing like a maestro. In this case, I probably want a different animation. Let me have a look. Let's go with that one. We like that one. Okay. You're playing like a maestro. And what we might do here is why not add a caption? You. Maestro. Make that nice and bold. And if we come up with that one, it gives it a slightly darker background as well. And I'll bring it in a little bit. Okay. And we want something on that image as well. So how about we just start? I'd really like a zoom in of some description. That one. There we go. You maestro. Okay. Traditional teaching methods are outdated. Okay. Let's see what we'll do here. I'd like to keep it over towards the left of the picture. I want some sort of zooming in. Yeah, that one will do. Okay, there's no real rhyme or reason to this, it's just what looks nice. Traditional teaching methods are frustrating. So this one I definitely want a zoom and a turn. And this one here, I think I would like almost the opposite of that. I want it to look like it's coming down. Yeah, that works, I think. Like I say, it's nothing fancy, I'm just playing with it. Now there's a better way. Introducing. Now introducing, I don't want this to be too long. I'm going to go to edit. Change this just to 3 seconds. Actually, I might do that on a few of these. So that you're playing like a maestro, that's good. Traditional teaching methods, bring that down to 5 seconds. Are outdated, that could be 3 seconds. 7, that's good. Traditional teaching methods again, 5 seconds. Are frustrating. 3 seconds. 7 seconds, yeah. 7 seconds. Now there's a better way. Okay, I actually want that one to stay on there for 7 seconds, that's fine. Introducing, 3 seconds. Rocket piano. This one definitely needs some animation. Yeah, we like that, that works. Comprehensive course from beginner to advanced, yep. But let's change how that displays. Comprehensive course, that's what we want. Just to really stress that. And on this one, we will definitely want to zoom in. Maybe we don't. We want to zoom out. Now I think what we want to do is pan it. To give an yeah, if we pan it right, then people get a real feeling of what's there. Okay. Okay, so you see that over the course of that frame, people see everything. And we have the product itself, the bonuses rather. And we'll just zoom in on, zoom and turn on that. Revolutionary teaching. Five seconds. Makes learning fun. 5 seconds. And because we want it to be fun, we'll have it fun like that. We've got some fun here. And this one, I really don't mind. I want to focus on that left-hand side though. So I like to get one of the rotations in. We'll have that one. And this one, we'll rotate it the opposite way. Freshman musicians use a trick of the trade. So let's again have this. Professional musicians use a trick of the trade. Got a professional musician. And on this one, that works. You can learn it too. Okay, that's good. This one here, we definitely need to start further out. I would like to start with this quite a bit wider, but let's see what we can do on this. So we can play around with the look. No. We can't really do anything, unfortunately, with the image size. Seems to have manually scaled that image for me. That's a shame. Let's just have a quick look what we can do here. Nope, it's not going to let us do anything to scale the image itself, which is a real shame. Okay. Okay, so we will add some motion now. We'll go for we'll go for a zoom out. Yeah, I think that one works best. We'll animate the text as well. One of these fancy. Do we want that? Yeah, let's have that one. Okay, so animating the text. You can learn it too. Claim your 6 free bonuses. We'll have this one nice and cinematic. Go there now. Okay, so it's starting to get there. It's 3 minutes long at the moment. Okay, you can see it's already looking a bit better. But what you will also notice is that, particularly where we have two images together, there's a real harsh jump from one to another. So what we want to start doing is putting transitions in here. The transitions are all under the animations. So if we come in here, and we're going to do a transition into that one. So what transitions do we have available? Quite a lot. Okay, you can see some of them work, some of them don't work so well. What we'll do on this one is quite simply a fade. Okay, so you can see here we've got this blur through black. We just want what's called a crossfade, which is a nice simple one. See, that fades out and text fades in. And you'll see that this image now has got this diagonal line across it. That's showing that crossfade coming in. We'll do the same here. I'll add a crossfade. And you know what? We'll apply them to all for now, but we might change a few of them. So that I've applied this to all so that everything's got a nice consistent look and feel. Where we might make some use of it is down here. We might do something different here. So how about something like a page curl? So we'll look at that. Okay, see that? Something a little bit different. There's a better way. Introducing. Piano. I think that's probably enough. Maybe we'll do another page curl here. So this time we'll do it a different way. We'll do it that way. Okay, that's enough. So we've got 2 minutes 22 now. Once we've added all of these merges, brought it all together.